Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing your account so the change goes smoothly. Sign out of the current app store and back up your device. Once done, you won't lose data. Make sure to have a payment method accepted in the new country or buy a local gift card first. Also gather a local address and phone number because stores often require them. Taking these steps now prevents hiccups when you switch regions later and speeds up the whole process. Now you change the country settings in the App Store itself. You open the App Store, tap your profile, then choose country or region. Once selected, read and accept the terms. Next, enter the payment method and billing address for that country and make sure the format matches local requirements. After you save, restart the App Store to refresh the catalog so apps, prices, and content appear for that region. This middle step is where formatting. Finally, download the apps available in the new country and update any existing apps to ensure compatibility. If a purchase or download is blocked, try redeeming a local gift card or remove and re-add the payment method. Make sure to restart the device after changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, contact App Store support and have your account and payment details ready. Once resolved, you can switch back using the same steps, but know some purchases may not transfer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.